The job market may be a little rough, but there are jobs out there, former Federal Reserve Governor Randall Kroszner told Ole Miss MBA students at a luncheon held today.
Well, there are a lot of challenges right now in the job market, but there's also going to be demand for people who have good analytic skills. And so I think people with a good economics and finance background will definitely have demand over time.
Kroszner, a former economic advisor to President George W. Bush, delivered the keynote address at the 2009 Banking and Finance Symposium. Now a professor of economics at the University of Chicago, Kroszner said the financial sector will always be in need of talented workers.
I think there's still a lot of fragilities out there. I don't think we're completely out of the woods, but I do see a reasonable amount of stimulus coming in from the monetary side and the fiscal side that is likely to lead to economic growth this second half of this year and next year, but the job situation is still going to be very, very difficult. The unemployment rate is almost 10%, and unfortunately is probably going to be around there for a while, but hopefully by the second half of next year it'll start to come down and we'll start to generate jobs.
Students say the opportunity to hear speakers like Kroszner is just one of the many benefits they get from attending the Ole Miss Business School.
I think at Ole Miss, being in a smaller school, in a smaller business school, we have opportunities like this where, we have 2,000 students and a lower number of professors, that being in a leadership position, they open up doors that you won't see in larger schools where you're a number.
Kroszner served as a governor of the Federal Reserve System from March 2006 until January 2009, and chaired the Committee on Supervision and Regulation of Banking Institutions and the Committee on Consumer and Community Affairs during his time as a member of the Federal Reserve Board.